Alright, so in order to get this item shop, we're gonna go right into dynamic shuffle and then buy us a gift. And then we have to scroll all the way down to Mr. Weldon. Weldon Party 5, so finally found your name. Continue, X, send gift. And there we go. So if you got it, Weldon, do that emote. So here's Weldon. So let's see, Weldon. Let's see that move. So Blade, did you want which one? Dynamic shuffle as well? Okay. So Blade also wants a dynamic shuffle. So here we go. Again, dynamic shuffle. Purchase as gift. And then this one's gonna be easier because it's all the way in F. Alright, so finally found your name. This was a lot faster. I'm gonna go ahead on to continue. Send gift. And we got another winner. Dead computer. Back channel. Alright, so here we go. Back channel. And we're gonna do this as a gift. And we're gonna look for dead computer. Anyways, here's dead computer. And send gift. So this is the backpack. There we go. So back channel, you should have got the gift by now. You got it. Nice. So everybody got what they wanted. Wildfire, you want back channel as well? So Wildfire wants a back channel, so we're gonna go ahead and look for back channel again. And here's back channel. We're gonna buy us gift, so let's be pressing Y. We're gonna go all the way down to Wildfire, which is a W, so it's gonna take forever. So finally got to Wildfire. Let's just click on A, then X, then X again to send the gift. And that's it. We should be getting that message. Was delivered successfully. So Wildfire can put on his backpack right now. Alright, and that's it for all the winners for today. Anyways, if you guys would like to participate in any of the giveaways, you guys just have to follow these 3 steps. Number 1, go right into your item shop. Down here below, you guys will see support a creator. Just tap right there and you guys will type in, just enter tech and design just like you see it right here. Accept. That's step number 1. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Next step, on this video, just scroll down and you guys will see comments area. On the comment area, I need you guys to type in, I want a free battle pass for Fortnite Chapter 2 Season 1. Then a dash, and then you will type in your epic username. And that's very important because a lot of you have a different username right here on YouTube than your epic name. That way I can see if you guys are using creator code and you guys are also subscribed to my YouTube channel, so I can match those up, and that's about it. That's the reason why you guys are leaving this message, so I can see what you guys want, what your username is on Epic, so I can check that, and right here my creator code, plus I can check if you're subscribed to this YouTube channel. Once you have done that, that's it. Those are the 3 steps that you have to do in order to qualify for this draw. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can leave them down here below in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.